Hi, you're right. Just going to run through three questions that I had some queries about from the work yesterday. So this is section A, question B. It says the mean of three numbers is 12, 5, and the mean of three numbers is 12. If one number is 5 and the other is 11, write an equation and solve it for the third number. Well, we know that the mean, we add them all together and divide by how many there are. So we're going to do something divided by 3. We know one of them is 5, one's 11, and one we don't know, so let's call it x. We know that the mean is 12, because that's what it says in our question, and now I can solve this, so let's times both sides by 3. And let's sort of do two steps in one there. 5 add 11 is 16, and then 12 times 3 is 36. Take away 16 from both sides, and x is 20. Section B, A then, another one I had a question about. So you're given a bit of a hint here that you're going to be forming an equation with an unknown on both sides. So Alex thinks of a number, he adds 18, then divides by 2. So let's try and get an expression for that. So if you think of a number, let's call it n, add 18, and then divide it all by 2. He gets the same number that he would have if he had multiplied the original number by 5. Calculate the mystery number. So gets the same number that he would have if he multiplied the original number by 5. That means that this original number that he's thought of is 5n, because he's multiplying that original number by 5. Then it says he gets the same number, so we can make them equal to each other, because this left hand side must be equal to the same number he gets from the right hand side. And now we can solve this, so let's times both sides by 2, and then take away n from both sides, and then divide both sides by 9, which is 2. Then we can double check that. Let's sub it back in. So if I put 2 into there, then 2 plus 18 is 20, divided by 2 is 10. 5 times 2 is 10. So yeah, that's the same number. That's what we were looking for. Right, final question. Rectangle A has one side which is 6 centimeters long and the other is x plus 2 centimeters long. Rectangle B has the sides of length 2x plus 1 and 3. For perimeters are the same, calculate the value of x and hence the lengths of the sides of the rectangles. So we're not given a diagram, so let's draw a diagram. So it says one side is 6 centimeters long and the other is x plus 2 centimeters long. Then the rectangle, so that's rectangle A, rectangle B is 2x plus 1 centimeters long and 3. Well, if the perimeters are the same, then if I can get an expression for this perimeter and an expression for this perimeter, then I can set them equal to each other. So this perimeter will be 6 add 6, which is 12, because this side is 6 as well. Add 2x, because there's 2 x's. Add 4, because there's a add 2 there and an add 2 there. And I'll clean that up in a second, so I'll add the 12 and the 4. Then this perimeter, well, let's just fill in the other sides. 3 add 3 is 6. Add 2x, which is 4x. Add 1, which is 2. Now let's collect some of these like terms, so that's 16 plus 2x equals 8 plus 4x. Let's keep the x coefficient positive, so let's take away 2x from both sides. Plus 2x. Take away 8 from both sides, and then we've got 8 equals 2x. Divide by 2. So x must be 4. So what did the question say? Calculate the value of x, which we've got, and the lengths of the sides of the rectangle. So this side, let's just change colour. this side, if x is 2, if x is 4, it's just a case of substituting in, is 6 centimetres. So that's actually a square, because all the lengths are 6. And then this one, but a square is a special type of rectangle, so I guess they didn't really, yeah. And then 2x plus 1 is 2 times 4, which is 8. Remember to do big maths, so multiplication first. 2 times 4 is 8 plus 1, so that's 9 centimetres. Okay, I hope that helped you out. If you've got any other questions, then please just let me know.